So guys, this is FX Lucky Main, and this video is specially meant for the mentorship students that is in the group Milk Deriv. So I know I'm not too forthcoming with videos, but I want to share something with you. Something I found out that Deriv started or learned new in trading. Now this is Volatility 50, and for most of you that know about trend lines, you know that you sell here. Let me get this. You sell here that this arrow is coming. Wherever you see the trend line, whenever it meets this, you sell it, and most of the times we take it as sniper entry. But as you can see, within this range, within this box, this is a region where there's possibility for this trade to move up within this box. Let's say we've been here, and then this is what's happening. I noticed something. Most people, when you get to the trend line, they place their trade, which is normal, and most of the times it works, and you call it sniper entry. But as you can see here, it actually went up after touching the line, but as you can see, it crossed the line. So it's not actually the trend line that is the highest possibility or probability of going up, but you can also see it all around here, everything, everywhere, all around here, this whole block. So how do you know this? Okay, I think this, let's use a better one rather. Sorry, let's use a better one. Something like here. Of course, I would be expecting to buy from here. Where if you bought from there, it went all the way down before finally going up to hit, your take profit if you were to buy there. So how do you stop this from happening? It's very easy. It's a strategy I found out, and it works perfectly well. Now this is to tell you, all my mentorship students, stop trading at the trend line. Stop trading at the trend line. Unless you want to trade at the trend line with a very low lot size, and then follow the strategy I'm about to give. Go to 15-minute time frame. We'll go back to that part where we were. Here, this is what I do in my 15-minute time frame. This is where I'm meant to buy, but no, instead of buying at the trend line, I wait for the 15-minute time frame to do what? To close. As you can see, I waited for the 15-minute time frame to close. If for real that is what I want to do, instead of buying at the trend line, I have patience and wait for the 15-minute candlestick to close, and here it closed, and then I wouldn't have bought. Seeing that it crossed the line, I would want it to retrace back, and then a candlestick above it. I don't know if you're understanding me. Then once it retraces back, the candlestick must not be touching the trend line. A next 15-minute time frame candlestick will form, which is not touching the trend line. Then I would take my trade. This is what I mean. I was meant to take the trade here, but as you can see, the 15-minute time frame closed. Look at this box. It closed and crossed the line. So of course I won't take the trade. I would patiently wait. Here, here, most people will want to trade here, but no, I won't trade because it is still touching the trend line. I want to see the candlestick move up above the trend line without touching the trend line. Then is a confirmation that yes, this market is going to buy and touch the next trend line. That is this. So here it crossed the trend line also. As you can see, I won't buy because I'm not in haste. I will patiently wait for the market to play out. Remember, patience is one of the key virtues in Forex, in Forex trading, and that's what they use most of the times to get at us. So I won't buy, and here too I won't buy. But I'll patiently wait for a situation like this. Look at this. Once the candlestick left, as you can see here, I don't know if you're seeing me here, this big candlestick, so it crossed over and it's still touching the trend line. I will wait for this second confirmation to get a bullish candlestick that is not touching the trend line, which is this. And I'll say, okay, that's the confirmation, and then I will take my trade. Once that candlestick closes, I'll take my trade here and expect it to reach TP. So tell me, if you're taking your trade there, you would have saved yourself the stress of going through all this, and all this, which would have made you lose a whole lot of money. Well, so that's it. Thanks a lot.